You will be amazed by this 2026 Toyota Tundra. Get ready to conquer the toughest terrains with the Toyota Tundra, a powerhouse of reliability and performance. The Tundra's bold design and rugged exterior are matched by a spacious and comfortable interior, complete with advanced technology and safety features. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, electronic stability control, alarm. Whether you're tackling heavy-duty jobs or embarking on weekend adventures, the Toyota Tundra is built to handle it all with confidence and style.